picked this table up at Goodwill a few years ago. It was a nice sized table for my G.I. Joes to stand at. I used it a lot for most of my early videos. I picked up these folding chairs a while back, and now I need a table for them. This table is only 1/4 inch too tall. After measuring it, I marked all 4 legs and cut them. And here it is cut down to the right size. 4.5 inches. I just took a little bit off the bottom. And now it's a nice table, nice sized table for them. Although this table is kind of strange because it has these, or the way the table's made, so they can't get their knees under it, but that's okay. At least 2 people will be able to sit on these sides. And I spray painted it black to match the chairs. Not the chairs that came with, to match the chairs. I think it turned out nice. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this format. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Would you rather just see my hands? This is my 3rd video that I did this way, so I'll let you know. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.